Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the super cute character Elfilin from Kirby. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All of that really helps out the channel a lot, and it is awesome when you do so. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing our cute little guy with two ovals for eyes. So 1 and 2. And in that I'm going to do another oval. And then I'm going to do a little circle on the bottom. And then we're going to do a soft upside down triangle. And when I say a soft triangle, I mean that the edges are not pointy. And now we're going to do a little circle here under the eyes, kind of there on the cheeks, so we got a little bit of blush happening. So now I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to work on the shape of the head. So I'm sketching my way down here and doing the bottom of the face and coming around here, doing another little cheek and stopping right there. All right, so next we're gonna put a little mark right here. So right here is where we're going to branch off and do the two great big ears. So the one on this side, well, actually, we're not going to finish the ears yet. We're just going to start the ears. So I'm going all the way up there, and I did a little curve. I'm going to do the same on this side. Okay. So I want to do the rest of his body first, because the ears are going to be kind of behind the body. So that's why I want to do the body first. All right, so we're going to have a hand right here. Oh, he's so cute already. And we're gonna come on down here with a little body. Just a little round body. And we're gonna do a foot. Gonna be a shape like that. And he's gonna have another foot right here. It's kind of like he just stepped off this foot and maybe he's jumping. And we can do a little line right here for the rest of the body and give him another little hand. All right, super cute. So now let's do a tail. So we're coming down and we can give it a little bit of a curve. And it's wider here and kind of a little bit furry, so I'm doing these little strokes here for a little bit of fur texture. And now let's continue on with the ears. So this one right here, it kind of looks like it has a little bit of a chunk taken out of it. So we leave a big curve like this out of the ear. And then we can come on down, and we're coming inward towards the body. And we're gonna come on up, kind of like a sharp point there. And we're gonna do another one too. We come down and do another sharp point and come up. Like that. So we kind of made a big capital W. And on this side doesn't have that chunk taken out of it. So we're going to curve and come on down. And we're gonna do that the same thing we did here with that kind of big W shape. Okay, and the inside of his ears, we're continuing on up here with the face shape, and we can come on out here and curve like that, and come on down, kind of follow along what we did and go in like that. And now right here, we're coming on up, following that shape we had previously made, and coming on down. All right, like that. So now I'm going to take a black marker and kind of go around my lines and make it kind of stand out a little bit more, and I'm going to add some color too. All right, everyone, so we are finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next Seelie Doodle. Bye!